Title: Mars, Our Future, Our Frontier. Intro. The red world awaits visuals, fade in from black. A red orb floats silently in the void of space. Mars, the red planet. Narration, calm, cinematic tone. Out there, in the cold vastness of space, a red world turns slowly beneath a dusty sky. A world both ancient and new. This is Mars. For centuries, we've stared at it from Earth, a distant speck in the night, glowing with mystery. But now, we're getting closer than ever. Mars is no longer just a planet. It's a destination, a dream, a future. Chapter 1, The Birth of a Planet. Visuals, animated scenes of the solar system forming, chaos and collisions of early planetary bodies. Narration. 4.5 billion years ago, the solar system was born in fire and chaos. Among the swirling dust and gas, a small world began to form, forged in the heart of ancient collisions. That world would become Mars. Cut to Mars today, silent, cold, dusty. Once it may have looked more like Earth, with lakes, rivers, perhaps even oceans. But something changed. The planet cooled, its magnetic field collapsed, its atmosphere thinned, and Mars became what it is today, a cold desert, haunted by the memory of water. Chapter 2, Mars in Human Imagination. Visuals, ancient drawings, telescopes from the Renaissance, sci-fi films, comic books. Narration. Long before science touched Mars, imagination did. The Babylonians called it Nergal, the god of war. To the Romans it was Mars, fierce and red, a warrior in the heavens. In the 19th century, telescopes revealed dark markings. Were they canals? Were there cities? An alien race? Authors like H.G. Wells turned Mars into a canvas for invasion stories and cosmic drama. From mythology to science fiction, Mars has always been more than just a planet. It has been a mirror for our hopes and our fears. Chapter 3, First Contact, Robots and Rovers. Visuals, rockets launching, orbiters scanning the Martian surface, the first black and white images from Mars. Narration, the 20th century brought us closer. In 1965, NASA's Mariner 4 flew past Mars and sent back the first close-up images, a barren, cratered world, not the oasis we had hoped for. Visuals, Viking landers, spirit and opportunity, curiosity and perseverance. Then came the landers, Viking 1 and 2 in the 1970s, then rovers, little machines with big dreams. Spirit and opportunity crawled across ancient plains and found signs that water had once flowed. Curiosity landed in 2012, carrying a nuclear battery and the hopes of a planet. And Perseverance, our most advanced rover yet, is there right now, searching for signs of ancient life. Alongside it, a tiny helicopter, Ingenuity, became the first aircraft to fly on another planet. Chapter 4, What Mars Once Was. Visuals, simulations of ancient Mars with flowing rivers, cloudy skies, and massive lakes. Narration, Mars wasn't always dead. Billions of years ago, it had a thick atmosphere. It had clouds, rain, rivers carved valleys, lakes filled craters, perhaps even an ocean covered the northern lowlands. Life may have had a chance here. Microbial, simple, but real. But without a protective magnetic field, solar radiation stripped away the atmosphere. Water evaporated or froze, and Mars was left cold, dry, and silent. Chapter 5, A Planet of Extremes. Visuals, Olympus Mons, Valles Marineris, dust storms. Narration, Mars is a planet of giants. The tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, 3 times the height of Everest. The deepest canyon, Valles Marineris, so long it stretches across the entire United States. Its dust storms can swallow the planet. Its temperature swings from mild spring to deadly winter in hours. It is both beautiful and brutal. Chapter Scene 6, The Quest for Life. Visuals, rover arm drills, microscopic images, DNA helix fading into red soil. Narration. So, was there life? Is there life still? We haven't found proof, but we've found promise. Organic molecules, salty subsurface lakes, ancient riverbeds. Perseverance is gathering samples that may finally answer the question, and the dream of life beyond Earth hangs in the balance. Chapter 7. The Next Giant Leap. Visuals, NASA astronauts training, SpaceX Starship launches, Mars base concepts. Narration. Mars is no longer just science, it's a mission. NASA plans to send humans in the 2030s. SpaceX wants to go even sooner. They envision a world where we live beneath domes, grow food in greenhouses, mine ice for water, and build cities where none have ever stood. It won't be easy. Mars is unforgiving. Radiation, isolation, dust, and distance. Every step forward is a test of our will, but we are preparing. Chapter 8. Terra Mars, the future world. Visuals, artists' renderings of a terraformed Mars, blue skies, forests, oceans. Narration. And beyond even settlement lies the dream of transformation, terraforming. Could we warm Mars, thicken its air, melt its ice and bring back the water? Could we breathe its air, walk under an open sky, build a second Earth? It may take centuries, or it may never happen, but we dream, and that dream drives us forward. Chapter 9. Why Mars Matters. Visuals, kids watching rockets, astronauts preparing, Earth from space, Mars on the horizon. Narration. Why do we reach for Mars? Because we must, because we are explorers, because the survival of our species may one day depend on it. Because Mars challenges us, and in that challenge we discover who we are. To stand on another world, to leave footprints in red dust, to look up and see Earth, just a star in the sky, that is the next chapter of humanity. Closing. From Earth to Mars. Visuals fade from Earth to Mars, then show Earthrise as seen from Mars. Narration. From the myths of warriors to the dreams of explorers, Mars has waited. And now we are coming. The journey has begun. The countdown has started. And the red planet is no longer just a story. End title. Screen. Mars. Our future. Our frontier. Subscribe for more cosmic stories. The universe is just getting started.